In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select dim and lock screen, and now just pick my wallpaper. Select the wallpaper that you would like to apply. You can also choose one from live wallpapers or some picture from your own gallery, but let me apply, for example, this picture, and then just tap on apply. And decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, here it is. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.